Hi guys, a very good afternoon. Masquera say. My name is Ronald Kwamakusha, and a very interesting developing story. I just met this video, which is so interesting. So let us take a look kuti vari kuti chii Madzibaba, because that is what is very important. Let me play this video.
Shora chechi yeJohani paSowe vanoti vapostori vanhu vanotambudzika, stereki vanhu vanonetseka. Izvozvizvi kuuya nehelicopter pachechi yakanzi Johani paSowe, kuuya nayo ndoyo yatinokanda kuuya kuzonamatisa. Zvakangofanana nemunhu anouya kuchechi nebhasikoro, anouya nemota. Saka inyaya yekuti kana zviripo chete tinouya nemahelicopter. Chechi yedu takaropafadzwa mazviri, saka tinofanira kudzoka nazvo kuchechi, vanhu vachizoona kuti Mwari wedu akatiropafadza. Mwari wedu uyu anoramba achitiropafadza, saka ticharamba tichimunamata. Tatenda.
So this is the video. Madzibaba vari paChikopokopo, vane Chikopokopo. He now uses Chikopokopo kuenda kuchurch. But let us take a look on what he said. He said that the people of Zimbabwe, they view vana Madzibaba kana kuti mapostori sevanhu varombo. And I don't believe that is true. That is not true. Our disagreement with the white garment people is not on whether or they are rich. Our disagreement is on raping minors, is on raping women, paSowe, is on supporting leaders who are very corrupt, supporting political leaders who are murdering people, supporting political leaders arresting people on frivolous charges. That is our disagreement, nemapostori. We are not in disagreement because of whether they have money or not. No. So I believe kuti this is a misguided perspective, Madzibaba, in terms of our view on those people. We respect them because we have relatives who are actually attend such churches. We have friends who attend such churches. And our message to them is that don't be hoodwinked by ZANU-PF leaders into thinking that they love you. Let us see the bigger picture together as a people, not as mapostori vekwamwazha kana vekwamarangi kana vekwani, no, but as Zimbabweans. Their stance in terms of political issues is what is a problem to us, because you cannot claim that you are preaching God or you are praying to God, but at the same time beat people who differ with you. I don't see the sense. So if you look at the issues, look at the issues, they sing some songs, they actually hate us, they hate our people. That is our difference. So I think mapostori will need to just iron out or those differences, then we can coexist. I have seen a lot of mapostori who are so rich with money, but they are decent, they are down to earth, they know what they do. But the leaders of those sects are the problem. So I don't know your opinion, I don't know your thoughts. Can we measure the success of Madzibaba through this helicopter or armored cars or whatever? I don't know what you think in the comment section. Please let us have a frank discussion. What do you really think about what Madzibaba was saying?